Welcome! In this brief tutorial, we will guide you on how to remove an email address from your Microsoft account effortlessly. First, navigate to the Microsoft account page. Sign in with the account you wish to edit. Once logged in, go to your info. This section allows you to manage your personal details. Next, find the Account Aliases option. Here, you can see all the associated email addresses. Select the email address you wish to remove and click on Remove. Confirm your choice when prompted. And that's it! Your unwanted email address has been successfully removed from your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Remember to manage your account regularly to keep it secure and up to date. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Stay tuned for more videos on managing your technology effectively. Visit our channel for additional tech tutorials and updates. See you next time. Don't forget to ring the notification bell for instant updates.